Take key, fuck these niggas. Busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie.
All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wig install. Junoda here, I think that's how you say it, right? Junoda or Junoda. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful 22-inch skunk wig. You guys know I really don't care for closures, but this was a 4x4 closure, and y'all, it melted. I didn't need to pluck it. I did actually bleach the knots, so I did bleach the knots because the knots that's in the back, you guys see how it's white in the front, well 613 in the front and then black in the back. Those knots were very dark, so I had to bleach those. So I did go ahead and bleach those knots. I'm just showing you guys how soft and beautiful you got. Oh my god, this hair, y'all, is so soft, so beautiful. It's giving African American permed hair, you guys. It's beautiful. So y'all know I can't braid, so I went ahead and greased my hair with the Blue Magic Indian hemp grease. So I greased my hair, put it in a ponytail, because you guys know I can't braid. And because this is a closure, I don't have to do the ball cap method. So I was like, you know, let me just throw a little wig cap on, throw some makeup on my wig cap, and just slap the closure on. I did go in with the Ruby Kisses foundation. I'm actually happy that I have this foundation, y'all. It took me a while to find it, and I finally found it at my beauty supply, but that's what I put on my hair. And I also did tint the lace with the Auburn, New York lace tint. I will leave all the products linked down below if you guys are interested in getting it. You can either use lace tint or you can use makeup. It's really up to you. I do like the lace tint though. I like to go in with it. Spray it, let it air dry, and then I apply my wig on my head.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rollin' this Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stabbed me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna lowball me, my cojones to the big ass. Bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Bry. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Bry. Bitch, I get, bitch, I get, bitch, I get. Let me meditate, then I celebrate. Tryna get the cake, I don't take a break. Yeah.
Y'all, but pay attention to this lace, guys. Like, it looks like it's growing out of my head, and I keep zooming in throughout this video because I want y'all to see the quality. Like, I really do want a 613 wig from Junoda here, because if the front of this is looking like that, I need a full 613 front wig from them. So y'all, I can only, well, you could do a side part with this wig, but I decided to do a middle part because as y'all can see, ain't no hair on the side, so there's no putting this in a ponytail, just straight middle part or side part, straight down, hanging off your face. So yeah, you guys, I am just gonna go ahead and show you guys this full install. If you are interested in purchasing from Junoda here, I'll leave all the links down below. If you guys have anything anything specific y'all want to see from me, don't be afraid to comment down below. I will be checking out the comments. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.